The Jed Ian Taxil Foundation for Rare Cancers serves as a living memorial to Jed so that his name will be remembered. The foundation is dedicated to support investigation, clinical trials, and services for patients diagnosed with rare cancers that collectively comprise up to 25% of new cancers diagnosed annually in the United States. Before meaningful progress is possible, the spectrum of rare cancers need be defined. To elucidate and focus their efforts, the Foundation is collaborating with rare cancer experts at Columbia University and the Herbert Irving Comprehensive Cancer Center.
What's common about the rare malignancies, not only are they rare, but many of them are life-threatening illnesses, which for many have unmet medical needs. There are very few defined therapies for these patients. And when there are therapies, they don't work terribly well.
There is bound to be critical, insightful, and important biology that links together many of these unusual conditions that end lives tragically. There's also likely to be underlying biology that changes the way we approach common diseases.
We need to have a major transformation. I would even call it a revolution at NIH and NCI. We've been following the same medical practices under the same medical theories since World War II. We now know that most cancers are defined by the target of the mutation, not by the organ in which it starts. And yet we still organize the NIH by organs.
We need to find a common thread. What is it about rare cancers that will tie them together for lawmakers, scientists, and industry to study these entities?
So we're taking rare diseases and now further slicing them, dicing them to smaller subtypes, for which there still are even fewer therapeutic options, and yet we need to find ways to treat these patients. We need to start investing our research dollars and identifying laboratories who can better explore what drives these different cancers. If we understand the basic science, the biology, and invest in those pathways, understanding the molecular mechanism that drive cancer. This is a new area called really precision medicine. And we can understand the cancer biology using technology today. We can revolutionize the whole field of cancer medicine. There's no stopping us.
What we really need to do is catch up to the idea of precision medicine, which is where we are treating patients at the molecular level of their particular cancer versus looking at it from an anatomical level. What we should be doing is really understanding the particular mutations that are driving that specific cancer, because what that will start to allow is the overlap of mutations potentially between multiple different types of cancers.
They're giving money to the same people who've been doing the same thing without much result for decades.
They remain underfunded and a low research priority.
And it's really important for people like the Taxil Foundation to help other people realize that they can be part of a legacy.
I'm so excited that this conference is happening. I congratulate the foundation for making it possible. I congratulate all the participants for bringing focus in this important area.